Farscape University. Here we are training some more. Got some wind coming along, but look, we got a lift to handle some of the most dangerous part of the job. So this whole entire upper part plus that lower staircase, 100% done by this machine. About $300 a day. We got it till tomorrow midday. Picked it up at 12. We're going to get rid of it by 12 o'clock tomorrow. As you can see here, now this is the pick with a lift, with a harness, and you got a pick situation. That's when you use two ladders here. Okay, box set up. Two guys are working. He's harnessed in. Okay, you got the paint master up there training the Liberator guy again to make sure that they stay on top of a good rhythm. And this is just before lunch. Okay, still got a lot of debris down here, so we got to make sure that the look at all the debris down here. So we have to make sure we clean this. This is all paint chips. Okay, this is all. Here's a paint station as the paint master is removing bolts. He's already painting them underneath. He hasn't dipped them yet, but I'm going to train him on how to dip at least 2 to 3 inches of it. Okay. So we've got another station over here. And there's a lot of wind. And we have to take down the hat over here. The wind was blowing it all over the place. So we got to make sure that we have all our tools put away. And yesterday we were on another fire escape job. But today, because of training, we pulled off of that job over there, which is an all welded fire escape, so that we can focus our training and recordings. So most likely after lunch we're going to head to the back one with 1 or 2 guys only. But this is the kind of thing that you want. Now let's take a look at over here. This is a trailer. So a lot of times when we show up at a job site, it's a 3 men only. There's 2, 3, 4, 5 guys on here. So this is 2 crews on this. One of the labor ready guys came and left. Only one labor ready stayed. So these things sometimes happen. Guys show up and they don't want to get up on these fire escapes. Here's another station right here. Look at this. All of this is all grinders, tools, hammers, jackets. Okay, so this is all again belongs to the paint master. It's starting to become messy over here, and we need this whole thing under control. Power bar. The power bar is here, not being used, which really gets me upset because I spend lots of money on tools and they need to be used. But again, this fire escape is not a big drilling because if there's a lot of drilling, that thing would have to be used. But this is the kind of stuff you have to worry about. Miscellaneous mixed tools. Make sure you got all your clips. They need to be outside, or you need to set up the station in here so that we're ready to rock and roll. So if nobody knows, the only one that knows where everything is going to be what do you call it, Jason. So we're training this guy, we're training those other 2 guys, plus we have a labor ready guy, plus we have a lift. And aside from a trailer, which we normally close the back whenever we have access issues, only use the pop through here. We also you have to have a means of pulling these things, but also pulling these things from Home Depot. So you need a hitch, 2-inch ball. But you also have inside here, this is an office. So this transports 5 men without any problem. In case anybody wants to take a nap, there's sleeping for 2 up there without a problem. This makes a bed. This makes a bed. This folds, opens, and makes a bed. This is where we have food, materials, so we can run power to this trailer without a problem. This back here, and we blew out the side here. This back here is all full of tools. Tools, 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 and more important than anything else, in the back here is a toilet. Okay, because you don't want to be pissing on people's backyards. Alright, look at this work table. Okay, so there's a lot of different stuff here. I'm going to find out if the compressor is here, and if it's here, we're definitely going to use these needle guns. Okay, so I'm going to be setting up my office. I got to make some phone calls. But look how we took out the kitchen, the stove and everything. Closed half of this off, so that used to be the bedroom. And the fridge and everything, we got rid of everything so that Half of this is dedicated towards tools. Close this off for noise, microwave. We got AC, we got heat, we got radio, we got power, we got TV. This is my office. You can watch the job from here. And as you can see, it's almost lunchtime. Okay? So this is where a lot of this coordinates and starts to come together. You need to invest into many ways of getting to a job site. We're from Boston, but we're down here in Jersey.